So what we got here is a Coleman furnace. I started it and tested it, made sure she was running alright before I took anything apart, which it was run, went all through its cycles. So what I'm going to do now is take off some thermostat wires here, remove them from the control board. Give me some easy access for some good cleaning. Now undo a couple screws to the blower motor, just like so. Some of these blowers like to come out a little bit hard, but she ain't too bad. Just like so. Take some wires off the transformer. There, she's completely free of the furnace. Get a good cleaning. Just manually check everything over here to make sure everything's the way it should be before I get cleaning anything, just for safety purposes. This looks to be good there, so yeah, that's it for that part.